Hey yo, it's your boy Papa Fix It here. Today I'm working on another Ram 2500. You know how I like these third gens. Anyway, I'm pulling the bed off this one by myself today. I might drop it on myself, I might fuck something up. So maybe this is funny, maybe it's worth recording, so that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, here's how you take the bed off these things. They got 8 bolts on them. You can see, let's crawl underneath one here. So anyway, this one's already been taken off. Well, all of them have been taken off, but there's one in through there, one in through there. Crawl under here, there's one up in that hole, and there's one there. There's also a ground that you need to take off on the passenger side, and the driver's side you have to take off the fuel door and fuel hose, all that crap. You also have the tail lights. There's just a couple little plastic clips, and that's all that holds this bed on. So ideally you would have, you know, 2, 3, 4 people to do something like this. I'm going to try just with a shop crane. I should have better rigging. This is obviously a pretty piss poor way of rigging it. I'm still going to try and pick it up this way and see what happens. I'm probably going to end up having to do a little bit more, but for starters, I'll try this. I'm pretty sure when I lift it like this, it's going to swing to the front. I'm hoping I can lift it high enough that I can go to the front and kind of just lift it up and pull it. Well, let's see. I'm probably going to have to add a couple more straps. This is not the proper way to do it. So what I did was take the factory tie-down points that mount through a bed liner, and I just molded a chain to pair of them. There it is. So hung up. Woohoo! Not too bad. All right. This bed is scrap metal. It got rear-ended. It's crunched pretty bad. So maybe you want to take the bumper off, a few other preventative measures if you don't want to extra bed up. All right. Yeah, it's not too bad. Might actually work. Alright, well that actually worked pretty well. I'll be darned. So yeah, that actually came off pretty easy. That was not a big deal. Ignore my exhaust hanger. I still have to finish that up. I figured it'd be a lot easier to work on all this with the bed off. Gonna be swapping this blue bed onto it and painting that. But yeah, hey, it's actually not too bad under here. But I'm gonna clean it up anyway, because you know, I like these trucks, I want them to last. Cool, well hey. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do here is lift it up a little bit more, and I'm just gonna drive that out, and then probably just back the trailer in here, put this on there, take it down to the scrapyard, get rid of this piece of shit, and then that'll be that. So cool, hey, it looks like that wasn't too bad to take a bed off a Dodge Ram here. So if that's something you like, you want to see some more of this stuff, you know, do a like, subscribe, whatever, hit me up in the comments, YouTube, something. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys. Later.